lies the soul of Islam. Khilafat, 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 in which lies the soul of Islam. Khilafat brings ease to the problems of all.
The lucky is that one who hears not this call.
To Khilafat forever we strive to be near,
the pillar of hope to relinquish our fear.
Khilafat, 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 in which lies the soul of Islam. We have faith in Khilafat, in which lies the soul of Islam. Our devotion shall never diminish within.
We continue to march on, determined to win.
As long as Khilafat in this world remains,
we'll stand strong through wind, the hail and the rain.
Khilafat, 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 in which lies the soul of Islam. We have faith in Khilafat, in which lies the soul of Islam. He who abandons the man of Allah
in this life can never expect to reach far.
Our hopes and ambitions will grow on ever.
These hardships and troubles will harm us never.
Khilafat, 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 in which lies the soul of Islam. We have faith in Khilafat, in which lies the soul of Islam.
Glory to God, our Lord of this way.
Khilafat surrounded today.
Glory to God, our Lord of this way.
Khilafat you'll find is 100 today. Khilafat, 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 in which lies the soul of Islam. We have faith in Khilafat, in which lies the soul of Islam.
In which lies the soul of Islam.